So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. And then you're going to find network and internet. Click on run. Click on this. If it detects anything, it's going to fix it for you. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in find and fix network problems. Click on it. And then click on next. Wait for this to load. And then click on troubleshoot my connection to the internet. Wait for this to load. If it detects anything, it's also going to fix it for you. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in CMD. Then you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS. Click on enter. And then you're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset. And click on enter again. And now for the last step, you're going to head over to search again and type in network reset. Click on it. And then click on reset now. And then click on yes. It's now going to automatically turn off your computer and restart it in 5 minutes. Or you could just restart it yourself. And then the problem should be fixed.